That was a brief walkthrough that will hopefully help you think about the ways in which you could use Foxx with your applications. In this example, I showcased how to create a simple microservice that can respond without needing to access the database. We also made a startup script that did access the database and checked if a collection existed and then created it if it didn't. We created an endpoint that allowed for adding entries to that collection and looked at basic schema setup with the Joy module. Finally, we created a route that returned the keys from the collection. To recap and to discuss some additional considerations, when designing your Foxx services, some important things to consider are: a good time to use Foxx for your endpoint is when you have a transactional or transaction-like queries. If you have a larger application, it usually doesn't make sense to put all of your logic in a Foxx service, but having your frequently accessed queries on Foxx can offer performance gains. Due to Foxx operating off of the V8 engine, there is a 1.8 gigabyte memory limit, which means if you have a query that needs to return large datasets that may be in danger of reaching this limit, you shouldn't use Foxx for it. Foxx is full stack JavaScript, but it is synchronous. By default, Swagger documentation is generated, but providing descriptions in your code is always optional. There are many authentication options available depending on your use case. Hopefully, after this video, you're excited at the potential of using Foxx, and if you are, we have some amazing documentation with additional guides and walkthroughs available on our site.